Hi, we're back with puppy Sophia. We wanted to talk about something different with you guys today. Sophia has a very funny smile these last couple days. If you can see inside her mouth, she's got kind of an extra tooth hanging out there. She doesn't want us to look. It might be a little bit tender. So she is teething. She's almost 6 months now. And so we are working on helping her get all of her baby teeth come out. Baby teeth in dogs are called deciduous teeth. And so they're actually born with 28 deciduous teeth when they're born. And throughout the first few months of their lives, what's going to start to happen is the roots of the teeth are going to dissolve. And then once they dissolve completely enough and they're chewing on their items, those teeth will fall out of their mouth. She actually had a tooth fall out this week. And so you can see the tooth here where it doesn't have any roots at all. And this is what the tooth would have looked like in her mouth. We have some models here for us to help us learn and teach new employees. And so we thought that that was really cool to share with you. And so what's happening with that kind of snaggle tooth that she has right now is the situation that occurs where they have both the adult tooth and the baby tooth in the mouth at the same time. Now, in an adult dog, this is a problem because this is essentially going to be a big bullseye for bacteria. It's going to attack and then it will hurt that adult tooth. And you can see the adult teeth have significantly larger roots than even the crown of the tooth. And so it's really important that we look for these in our puppies and we help to make sure that they come out successfully. And your veterinarian should also be looking out for this situation to occur because it's pretty predictable. And so when they come in for their castration surgery, or when they're finishing up their puppy visits, we're going to be looking at their mouths. We're looking at other things in the mouth as well, but one of the main things we're looking at is how are their teeth looking? Are their deciduous teeth falling out? Are there 2 teeth in one spot? Are those teeth loose? And so in Sophia's case, her canine tooth is loose, and so we're not going to have to worry about it at this point. It should continue to fall out on its own. So the things we can do in the meantime to help her are going to be the same things that we tell clients when they have puppies. They need lots of things to chew. And so we want to give them things that are appropriate for them to chew on so they don't get themselves in trouble. The chewing motion that they're looking for is because of the teething. And so we want them to have 3 things. We want puppies to have something that they can't destroy. And so it's going to be something like my Kong here, or a rubbery ball. Something they can destroy. And so we like paper towel holders or toilet paper holders. And that way they can kind of shred the cardboard and get that satisfaction. And usually they're not going to eat it because it doesn't taste good. And so you should monitor them whenever you give them any sort of toy. And that way you know for sure that they're not ingesting it or hurting themselves. It's also a good idea to give them a treat for their teeth. And so these are the rawhide chews. We like these for dental purposes in general. So this will help prevent tartar from building on the teeth. It will also help her get in the notion of this is what she's going to chew long term as opposed to paper towel rolls. You're not going to want to keep shreds of cardboard in your house forever, right? We're all going to just bear through these puppy months and years together. We keep in our office lots of different resources for clients when they come in. And so as they're getting to their adult teeth, we're going to be watching for the grade of dental disease that they have. We also have a chart here that talks about the various chew toys that we recommend. So rawhides, again, are good. We worry that they want to dissolve in the intestines so that they don't ever get blocked up and stuck there forever. So ours are specifically screened for that. Ice is not a great idea. It can break their teeth, and so we don't want that situation to occur. Greenies are okay, although it's not going to serve the dental purpose that many times clients ask us about. We need to be really careful with hard nylobones because those can also break the teeth. Again, the Kong, you can stuff it. This one's like a wobbly guy. Bully sticks are very hard. They can also chip the teeth. And plush toys and pulling toys are also good. This has a rope feature. So again, you're going to want to be supervised with your pet when they are chewing on any sort of dental item or an item in general because you want to ensure their safety, right? It's your job to make sure that your pet stays safe all through those teething years. So hopefully this week, Sophia's other baby tooth is going to fall out successfully. And then hopefully we'll be on the up and up for chewing on all the items maybe we don't want her to chew on. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We love seeing your puppies, and we love to help you take better care of them.